Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat Prabhu. Prabhu, like Krishna's body, Krishna's soul, all are non-different. Similarly, when soul is liberated and when a soul is liberated, devotionally liberated and goes back to spiritual world and serves Lord. So his body and he, whether it is non-different.
They are all spiritual. But the soul is, the spirit soul has a consciousness body. That is called Shuddha Chitta. That Shuddha Chitta, according to the nature of the Shuddha Chitta, according to rasa of the Shuddha Chitta, the spiritual energy, internal energy of the Lord can give different bodies. But there's no difference. They are there when, just like it, very naturally, I don't think I am not the body. Why? Because in the spiritual world, it's like that. Your body is you say. Though actually you can, that body, Prabhupada says, that can take different, same body. Now, this life, this body, next life I want to look different, I have to take another body. But the spiritual body is such that if Shuddha Chitta, your bhavana is there, that same external body, that body given by this internal energy of the Lord, will change. There's no death. There's no death there. Even in the material world, ordinary jivas have so much Shakti. Putana had a Shakti to change her demoniac body to a beautiful body, correct? When in the material world, a jiva can do that, why it cannot do in the spiritual world? But it is not according to your whims, it is done in, just like I cannot change my body to another body according to my whims. When the material energy makes me die and then give me another body, so there are laws there governing this. Similarly, there are laws that are governing the spiritual world also, which is all centered around Samvit Shakti, the Sandhini Shakti. The Sandhini Shakti takes care of all these things, existences. What kind of bodies and all these. Sandhini Shakti, Samvit Shakti, Hladini Shakti. These are all, just like the three modes of material nature is a Shakti that is acting upon my consciousness to create Maya consciousness. Similarly, Sandhini, Samvit, they all are acting on behalf of Krishna to bring Krishna consciousness into millions of jivas who are wanting to serve Krishna. So that's why it's called a perverted reflection. They're full of varieties. It's not that this is a world of variety and absolute truth is a world of no variety. Finish, Brahman. No. In fact, that is 3/4 of Lord's manifestation, and this is only 1/4 of Lord's manifestation, material variegatedness. Only for Krishna, there is no difference absolutely between his body and him. Any body, even incarnation body, even deity body, is called Kaivalya, Kaivalyapati, because he is everything. He can become anything whenever he wants. That's why when he can become the Acharya. He's as good as God. He's become Krishna. All Krishna's full strength can come in the Acharya, through an Acharya. As good as, when you say as good as, just see, that is what it means. Krishna becomes the Acharya. Only Krishna can. Jiva remains Jiva. Acharya's soul remains the eternal servant, pure devotee of the Lord. Just like hand cannot say, I am you. Can I say, I am the hand? I can say. I am the hand, I am the leg, I can say. Similarly, Krishna is Kaivalya, I am everything. Only one. Kaivalya means no two for Krishna. For Jiva, yes, it is there.